Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria and today we are going to draw another ball. Yes, another ball. This one is gonna be tricky. It has not only the light pattern on it, like highlight, light, core shadow, cast shadow, but it has a pattern. Look how beautiful it is. And I'm gonna show you how to draw this pattern so it would lay on the curved surface and look like it belongs to it. Let's start. I made a circle. I'm gonna draw a shadow. Shadow has elliptical form. I'm drawing it as if I can see through the ball. I'm gonna erase the lines that I don't need. And my ball has a little pattern on it. I'm not going to draw it yet. Now I want to focus on the surface of the ball. It's pretty dark comparing to the white surface it sits on. First I'm gonna map maybe the highlight. There is a reflection from my window right here. The core shadow is somewhere here. So now I'm going to put the first layer. I'm going to use pencil 2B. The core shadow is the darkest area on the object. The other darkest area is under the object. Usually it's the most dark area, unless we're just drawing something black. So let's keep going. Right now I once again don't pay attention at the pattern on the ball. I'm just establishing the light pattern on the ball as if it was one color. So I'm putting pretty small strokes. And I'm trying to make them look as if they were like brush strokes kind of thing. So now I'm going to the light area. The ball is not white, so it shouldn't be obviously white on my drawing. This is pencil B I'm using, and I'm going like around the reflections. The reflection from the window is not that bright either, so I'm gonna put my strokes on top of it too. I'm gonna erase them later anyway. So now I have basic light and shadow pattern on my ball, and now I want to move to the shadow, to the cast shadow, and then I'm gonna move to the background. So I'm gonna put the first layer, kind of like even layer. I put horizontal strokes like that. The darkest part of the shadow is gonna be under the ball. Let's make it dark. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. The shadow is not dark enough, but but I want to add background to see the full picture. I'm gonna make background darker on this side and lighter on this side. I'm gonna use maybe tilted strokes a little bit. Maybe I'm gonna use that type of strokes, kind of like resembling brush strokes. Oh, we'll see. So the first layer is always pretty messy, kind of like here, and later it's getting with every layer it's getting more even, and it looks better and better. So now, if you're thinking this is exactly a kind of systematic approach I've been looking for, I'm developing a comprehensive classical training program where we talk more about each of these concepts with structured exercises and my feedback. This isn't just about drawing, it's about building the foundation that will transform everything else you do as an artist. The link to my Patreon is in the description below. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Right now I'm kind of making it a little patchy on purpose, and hoping that it will add visual interest to the drawing, and it's gonna be, I don't know, maybe looking like a painting even. Now I'm going to make my sphere darker and the shadow darker too, because shadow looks almost like as if it dissolved into the background, so it is much darker, and I'm gonna make it darker. Now I have my ball, it's pretty glossy. Now I would like to draw some pattern. I think it's time. So right here I can see that pattern goes kind of like that direction, and it's like that. Since the pattern is white, I'm gonna erase a little bit. I have one more similar thing right here. I'm gonna erase it just a little bit as well. Alright, and I have one more. Inside of this pattern there is some other things that I'm not going to really draw too much. I'm just going to maybe kind of draw them just as a suggestions kind of thing. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna add some layers to the background first, and then I'm going to continue with the sphere. So now I'm making my sphere even darker, and I'm gonna leave the pattern alone for now, and just making the sphere around the pattern just a little more defined. So I'm almost done with this drawing. The secret to the pattern is to keep the shape of the shadow kinda intact. Where the pattern is lighter, the shadow is supposed to be lighter. Where the pattern is darker, the shadow is supposed to be darker. But overall, the pattern of the shadow is going to follow the same rules as always. The core shadow is the darkest, the light is lighter. So I'm gonna make some areas just a little lighter for achieving that actual kind of pattern here. So where the highlight is, it is supposed to be the lightest. I have here the reflection from my window. It is not that bright, so I'm gonna make it a little darker. And I'm not going to draw every single detail that I see. I just wanted to establish the kind of feeling of this pattern, not the pattern itself. I hope you guys liked my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and see you next time.